Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to edit a pivot table on your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So first of all, open your spreadsheet and follow these steps. Here I have just a random example to insert and to edit the pivot table so I can show you how to do it. Now, all we have is to go to data and search for and go to for inserts. In here we will find a pivot table. As you can see, to create a pivot table it will need a data range. Our data are here. Of course you should select your table or your data with the headings. Let's just click OK. Now it will ask you if you want it to be inserted in new sheet or existing sheet. In my case, I will just search for a new sheet. Now, here you will find our rows and your columns, and you add value. In, for example, this row, let's add, for example, in these columns, let's add names. Or making it in a row. For example, we will have the names, and then in our column we can do, for example, subject or whatever want. In the value we will do the marks. As you can see, in also uh, we can edit our sorting or the orders, and you can do whatever you want. As you can see, there is an option that calls show totals, so it will show the totals of each line by line, or it will give total by column and column. So wherever you have some selling, some sales table or whatever, and that you need the grand total and everything, you can let it check, but I don't really need it in this example. So let's just remove it. As you can see, now I have here my names, and here I will have my subjects are uh, sorted here. So uh, from having a brute table of uh, and having some messy uh, data, now just by one name we can, for example, you can see Andrew how much marks have uh, in each subject one by one. So this is the utility of the pivot table. Also, when we did the value, when we went for the value, all it asked for the value and give us the values. For example, if we add the value and, for example, we add the grades, let's for example take out and maths. Normally the grades not counting, but we want them as a text because of course the count uh, of course it won't show the grades because the grades are not numbers, so we need in the values just some numbers. For example, here in the marks, as you can see, as we did before, we can do some for example, we can do some operations. For example, let's do average. What is the average? So I can do average here, and the grand total. It will calculate the average of all the marks here for this guy max. Or we can just let it to be a sum and show as, for example, of grand total. We do it as percentages or just of column. So each section or each column, you can see how much that Andrew get for or anyone, so the data will be showed as percentages. So those are the ways to edit or to manipulate your pivot table. Also, if you, for example, you quit editing, here you will find an edit button will be stick to the table. So all you have to do is click on edit and you can do whatever you want. For example, let's add rows. It will be a grade. Whoever had some grades and that stuff. Uh, so you can customize your uh, pivot table however you want. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.